we're going to do 2 cans, but whenever you see this, look at this, guys. Whenever there's a pull tab on top of a can, you need to be extremely careful that you don't put your finger in there and cut yourself, because once you lift this, that is like a razor inside there. And Wendy's here tonight. Wendy, I got a confession to make. I was personal chefing for you once, and I think I was making, maybe I was making this for you, I'm not sure. And there was one that was stuck in there, and I knew it was going to be sharp, but what did I do? I put my finger in there. Guess what happened? Cut my finger. So I had to discard them, glue the new can, and anyway, it's all good. But I'm telling you, it's so sharp. Don't ever put your finger in there whenever there's a pull tab. Don't ever do it. Get rid of the water content, because we just want these lovely artichoke hearts. See what I mean? Sometimes they're hard to get out. I should take the lid right off, and I think I'm going to have to, but it's just, there we go. And even still, come on now. There we go. All right, we're gonna let those drain here for a sec. Really dangerous, these pull tabs. They're supposed to be handy and stuff, but man, they're just very, very sharp.